Hi there, my name's Chris Morgan and I'm a doctoral researcher here at Birmingham University, where we're doing cutting-edge research into plant sexual reproduction. Now today I want to tell you about pioneering technology that's set to revolutionise plant breeding and global agriculture. But first, a bit of history. Mankind have been farming crops for millennia, with evidence of large-scale agriculture dating as far back as the ancient Egyptians. I say. But it wasn't until much more recently, during the mid-19th century, that scientists started using the new, exciting field of genetics to try and improve crop breeding. By blasting plants with ionizing radiation, the scientists induced numerous mutations in the plant's DNA. In a small percentage of plants, these mutations could lead to beneficial characteristics such as larger seeds or bigger roots. Now, although this type of mutation breeding was, and still is, highly effective and is responsible for producing a sizable proportion of today's most used crops, it's a bit like trying to catch fish with a grenade. I mean, it works well enough, but most of the time, all you're going to do is blow everything to bits.
Oh dear.
What we need is a specifically designed tool that's easy to use and does the job required with as little collateral damage as possible. Enter CRISPR-Cas technology. Now, the CRISPR-Cas system was initially discovered as a constituent of the bacterial immune system, where it's required to destroy invading viruses. But it's now being widely applied to plants, where it's used in a process called targeted gene editing. You see, instead of creating random mutations, CRISPR-Cas creates them with pinpoint accuracy. Now, CRISPR-Cas isn't the first targeted gene editing technology to be used in plants, but it is by far and away the most straightforward to use. And it doesn't come without its regulatory ambiguities as to whether CRISPR-Cas plants can be considered GM or not. But one thing that seems certain is that CRISPR-Cas is going to have a huge impact on the way we go about generating novel crop varieties, and it could help in the constant battle to feed Earth's ever-expanding population.